In this video, I'll show you how to fix Overwatch 2 microphone not working. Now first what we want to do is, in Overwatch you want to press escape and head over to your options. In here choose sound, make sure that you have match voice chat on, and make sure your voice chat devices is on default devices. Now here you can see I have mine on push to talk. If you have an open mic, it will automatically, whenever you talk, use itself, but if you have on push to talk you need to press a button before it works. Now you can see the push to talk button right here, so make sure you're pressing these if you want to talk. Now after you've checked all of this, what you can do is come down here, right click on your sound, head over to sounds. In here, go to recording, make sure that the microphone you have is working out here. You should see the green line going up and down whenever you're speaking. Now if another one here is doing that, what you can do is click on that and set as default, and that will be your default device. So that will be the device that this one will use, as you can see. Now also head in there, properties, head over to levels and make sure you have turned it up and it's not on 0. Now after you've done that, what you should do is come down here, search for microphone. In microphone, choose sound input device properties. And in here, make sure you have set your input to the microphone that you just saw. Now as well, if you search for microphone again and you head over to the microphone privacy settings. In here, make sure you have allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure you turn this on. Now another thing you can do is you can come down here and search for device manager. Open up in here, click here, right click on your microphone and update driver. Now if this still doesn't work, what you should do is check on your PC in real life that the cord from your microphone is in the correct input, and also check that it's correctly put in and not like hanging half out. Now that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.